Remodeling is a serious business, and there's a lot of moving parts, but it can be simplified. All you have to do is remember two things: quality. I know that's one word, but there are two types of quality. You've got the quality of work and the quality of your experience. And based on my 30 years experience, the quality of your experience is king. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's go inside and I'll go into more detail. Okay, so all kidding aside, remodeling is a serious business because a large majority of luxury remodeling projects end up being very painful for the homeowner. Just imagine feeling in the pit of your stomach the deep fear and dread of escalating costs rising out of control, or the bitterness felt when you realize a project is going to take months longer to complete than you originally promised, and the extremely uncomfortable feeling of continuing to have people in your home that you no longer trust. There's some great news though. Design Build Dwell has reimagined the remodeling process and found a way for you to eliminate the pain that most everybody else experiences. This is simply done by evaluating a potential remodeling team's quality of work and the quality of your experience. By looking at these qualities individually, your decision making becomes much easier. To help you with your decision making, we've created tools to help you discover whether or not your remodeling team has the remodeling experience to provide the quality workmanship you need. And more important, can they provide you the quality experience you deserve? Our ECAP tools help evaluate a team's remodeling experience levels and a team's ability to foresee potential remodeling challenges before they crop up. If a remodeling team has limited experience, then the challenges that should have been anticipated earlier pop up later, costing you more money and more time to complete. Our Leapy tools help you evaluate the 5 key elements that determine how well a team will be able to take care of you, your family, and your belongings during the remodeling process. The more depth they have in each of these 5 elements, the better care they can provide you. These tools are great at evaluating qualities, but their real power is their ability to help you to ask the right questions of both the remodeling candidate and their references. For instance, a simple question you might ask would be, do you have a communication plan in place? You can then rephrase the question and ask their references, did they have a communication plan in place that kept all parties informed throughout the project? Do not worry that you're unfamiliar with ECAP and Leapy tools. Design Build Dwell provides much more in-depth explanations and ways to use them on our Learning Hub page under ECAP and Leapy. Just know they are great tools to help you define and discover qualities needed to provide you an exceptional remodeling project.